In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install Firefox ESR, also known as the Extended Support Release. Now, this version is great if you want a more stable Firefox experience with fewer updates. Let's begin. Now, open any browser you currently have installed and go to Google, type Firefox ESR download. And as you can see, there is going to be a plenty of results. You want to make sure to look for the official Mozilla link. This is important to avoid fake or unsafe downloads. So I'm going to click on the first one. Once you are on the Firefox ESR download, you would notice you need to scroll down a bit because you will see some options to select your operating system. Now, if you can't find it right here, it's going to be down at the bottom. So if you're using Mac, just click this one right here. If you're using a Windows, there are two versions, a 32-bit and a 64-bit. In my case, I am choosing the 64-bit, and you see, we are going to download the Firefox Extended Support Release. It's also have an MSI installer, but I'm not going to choose that. I'm going to click this instead. Wait for it because the download time may take a little while depending on your internet. So you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Okay, because the installer file will start downloading automatically. Now, go to the downloads, click on it, and follow the on-screen instructions. Just click next right here and install until it finishes. You have the standard and you can choose from custom, but I'm just gonna use the first one. So we need to close the Firefox browser for now. So let's gonna do that. Click next. Now, Firefox ESR installs separately from the regular Firefox browser that you have. Okay, that means your bookmarks, history, and profiles may not automatically transfer unless you import them manually. Now, after the installation is complete, open Firefox ESR from your desktop or start menu. You will notice it looks familiar, but it's optimized for long-term stability. And that's it for today's video on how to download and install Firefox ESR. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.